Hey, I'm Allie, real estate marketing expert who has helped hundreds of realtors start, grow, and market their real estate business. Here's a crash course on Google Ads in 4 tips. Ready, set, let's go. Number 1, Google Ads is the name of Google's pay-per-click platform, also known as PPC. This allows businesses to show up as a paid ad when people search for their keyword. On a side note, 2 of our other types of ads that we really enjoy using with realtors are display ads and YouTube ads. Number 3, Google Ads is focused around keywords. Now, keywords are the words that people are using or most likely going to use when searching for your services. Number 4, you want to make sure you have a long list of negative keywords. Negative keywords are going to help you find the perfect audience because sometimes Google will put a big old umbrella under real estate and give you everything from rentals to Airbnbs, and they're thinking that you know how to do all those things and that's exactly what you want in your business, but most of the time it's not. So if you want to get really, really specific on the type of services you offer, negative keywords will be your best friend. Thanks for watching. Follow for more real estate marketing tips. Peace.